Hello everyone, hope you are all having a great time. If you do a simple task in a hard way, it can be said a time wasting task. So, today I'm gonna save your time on something you must probably have done in hard way when there's still a super simple way left to do it. You know how hassle it is to switch between each step to paste elements one by one to different locations. But after watching this video, you will no longer get that hustle feel. To simplify this, Windows 10 operation system comes with a handy option called clipboard. This clipboard function stores all the copied elements to do with a new line. Okay, I'll show it to you from the example now. Here you see I have opened two browser windows and two notepads. I copy the first paragraph from the first browser by pressing Ctrl plus C key. Then I press on the Windows key plus V key in the keyboard to open a clipboard. Here we show it has been copied to the clipboard. Now I go to second browser and copy another content. Then again open the clipboard by pressing the Windows key plus V key together. Here you see each element we copied are pasted into the clipboard line by line. So I again copy a content from a notepad also and again open a clipboard. Now okay, I copy the contents from the different sources to clipboard. Now I can get all of those contents to where I need with no time. For what I gonna do is open a document to which I need them to be copied. Now I get a new line. Just get back into the clipboard pressing Windows plus V key. Now left click on the content line I need to paste into the document I opened. Again, I get a new line, then I go to the clipboard and left click on the other content that I need to paste. This way, you see we can copy elements to clipboard for our later usage. So now onward, you don't need to be frequent mind that losing your copied data and paste it before it's gone. Everything that you copy are stored in clipboard, so you can simply use them later this way. There are three options that I should brief you in the clipboard. First is pin option. The elements in the clipboard erases itself after a system restart, but if you need some content still be on the clipboard, you can click on the three dot icons at the top right corner to the element light and click on pin option if you don't need that element to be erased from the clipboard. Second option is for delete. This delete option is used to delete specific element line from the clipboard. Third is the clear all options. This option will delete all the content lines in the clipboard except the pinned one. So, hope this short video help you to save your time on the simpler task we were doing in brown way. You can use this cool option especially when you write in a presentation, getting contents from different places, so you don't need to switch between each tab to place it. Instead, copy everything freely, then use clipboard to paste them when necessarily in your presentation. Special notice: this clipboard function also allows you to copy URLs and images as well. Thank you very much for watching our video. Every time we come to you with an awesome tech tip like this. So please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon on our channel to receive further notifications on our upcoming videos. Also, if you like the video, please don't forget to press the bell icon on this video too. Keep in touch with us. Stay safe and healthy. Goodbye.